Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at VahRehVah.com. Today I am going to make another awesome chaat using beetroot. And beetroot is one of my favorite vegetables, what I used to love as a kid, especially because the mouth used to get red. That doesn't mean that I graduated to eating pan. And for this, we're going to chop some onion. In this, we're going to also add chopped green chilli and just to add a little bit of spice in this. We're going to add very little oil. Even though the peanuts are already roasted, we're going to add peanuts in this. In this, onions and green chilies. Okay. Just saute them very little. Add grated beetroot. And toss. Add salt. And the curry leaves we're just going to add on top of this. If you want, you can also chop and add. Switch off the flame. In this, we're going to add some grated coconut, some chopped cilantro, that is coriander leaf. You can add some sesame seeds for extra flavor and very little of chaat masala. And of course, in the last, we're going to squeeze in some lemon juice. Toss the salad in a ball. You can also top it off with some more of sesame seeds, and very tasty and very simple, and especially when you are alone and you don't want to cook too much, just a simple salad like this will be very filling and very tasty. This not only looks nice and red, but very tasty. The more you eat, the more you want to eat. Wow, very nice. Nice sweetness from the beetroot, the tanginess because of the lemon we added, the chili just appropriate, and the peanuts in every bite they are a little bit crunchy. We used roasted peanuts. If you want, you can add more peanuts also, and it's going to taste awesome. Dear friends, I hope you enjoyed today's session, but do not forget, VahRehVah is all about inspiring others to cook. So please post your recipes and cooking tips so others can benefit from your great cooking. Wow, just too good.